Hi guys, this is Math Rules, and today's topic is going to be two-step equations. So let's get right into it. So our first example or problem is 6 equals a over 4 plus 2. Now what we need to do is we need to solve for a. That means we need to get an answer that will plug into a, and that will get us a good answer, or the perfect answer. So what we need to do is we have to do minus 2 on both sides. Why we do not do divided by 4 is because addition comes before division in this case. Like the PEMDAS case was different, but I'm not talking about that. In this case, addition comes before subtraction, multiplication, or division. So we draw our line, plus and minus cancel out. Plus and minus cancel out. We're left with 6 minus 2 is 4 equals a over 4. Now we do times 4 on both sides. 4 times 4. And we see 4 times 4 is 16. And 16 equals a, which is a true statement. Now let's plug our problem in with our answer. 6 equals a over 4 plus 2. Now we have to do 6 equals 16 over 4 plus 2. Now we don't need to actually write the whole equation again and then see if it matches. We could just say 6 equals 16 over 4 is 4 plus 2, and the 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 equals 6. So our answer is correct. So let's go to our next problem. Our next problem is 0 equals 4 plus 9 over n over 5, not 9 over 5, n over 5. So in this case, again, as I said, we have to do plus 4 and not divided by 5, as the rule before. Addition comes before division, multiplication, or subtraction. So minus 4 on both sides. So plus 4 and minus 4 cancel out. We're left with 0 minus 4 and 4 minus 4. The answer is minus 4. Oops, that is bad handwriting. Minus 4 equals n over 5. Now we do times 5 on both sides. Times 5. Our two 5's cancel out. Minus 4 times 5 is minus 20 equals our n. So we got an answer. But we need to check if that's correct. So let's write our problem over again. 0 equals 4 plus n over 5. Let's plug in our answer. 0 equals 4 plus a minus 20 over 5. Now, we don't need to actually do 0 equals 4 plus minus 4, blah, 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 all that. We don't need to actually do that. So what we're going to do is just do it mentally. So we have to do 0 equals 4 plus minus 4, and plus and minus make a minus, so 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 equals 0, so our answer is correctamundo. So our next problem. Now this is a bit of an unusual problem. For the previous two problems, we've just directly added or directly subtracted or directly multiplied. But for this, it needs an extra step. So you have to do 2 parentheses n plus 5 and parentheses equals minus 2. What we need to do for this is multiply 2 with n, and then we have to multiply 2 with 5. It's called the distributive property, and we'll talk about all the properties in our upcoming videos. So 2n plus 2 times 5 is 10 equals minus 2. And minus 10, both of the 10's cancel out. We're left with 2n equals minus 12. That's an equal sign. And then if we go here, 2n equals minus 12. Divided by 2 on both sides. 2 and 2 cancel out. N equals minus 6. And so our answer equals n equals minus 6. Let's plug into our question that we did before, So what's our question? 2 parentheses n plus 5 equals minus 2. And then we have to do 2, we have to plug in our number, minus 6. Minus 6 plus 5, and parentheses equals minus 2. 2 times minus 6 is 12, plus 2 times 5 is 10, and then that equals minus 2, correct? That's correct because 12 is bigger than our 10, and then our answer is supposed to be negative because 12 is bigger than 10, and then 12 has a negative sign, so our answer is negative 2. So, and we got our answer as negative 2, so negative 2 and negative 2 are the same. So this answer is therefore correctamundo. So let's try another problem. Yeah. So this is our problem, minus 2 equals 2 plus n over 4. So I want you guys to do this one on your own. So, and I'll give you 30 seconds. So 3, 2, 1, start now. So, as I already said, you guys should do this problem on your own. So, and pause this video, do the problem, and come back to check your answer. So your 30 seconds are up, and let's do this problem. So, like before, minus 2 on both sides. Since this is plus, there's a plus here. So now 2 and minus 2 cancel out, and then we're left with minus 2 plus minus 2 and minus 2, which is minus 4. That equals n over 4. And then we have to do times 4 on both sides. Multiplied by 4. So now 4 times minus 4. Plus times minus is minus, so 16 equals n. Plus times minus is minus, so our answer is minus 16 and not 16. And that's a rule you guys should know, because it really helps in these types of stuff. And if you don't know that, you're likely to get the problem all wrong. So I forgot to cancel out both our 4's, and now we're left with n, which brings us back to minus 16 equals n. So let's plug it into our equation. Minus 2 equals 2 plus n over 4. Minus 2 equals 2 plus minus 16 over 4. So we don't need to do the minus 2 equals 2 plus minus 4. We could just do it in our head. Or maybe I should do it. Minus 2 equals 2 plus minus 4. And in this case, you can put a parentheses if it confuses you. And you can put the parentheses around the minus 4. Now we have to do minus 2 equals 2. Plus times minus is minus. And then our 4. So minus 2 equals 2 minus 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And then the minus 4 is bigger than 2. So our answer is negative. Minus 2 equals minus 2. So therefore our answer is correctamundo as always. So I think you guys should practice this problem, these types of problems, really, because these type of problems are easy once you learn them, but if you don't practice over time, you'll forget them, and yeah, that's really bad, because you don't want to relearn anything over again. You want to spend your time learning something else. So I think you guys should really practice these problems, and that's it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And if this video helped you, please also like, as I already said. And please check out our new video on polynomials that my brother did. And thank you guys for watching. Have a good night or good day.